Today we're creating an easy overlapping shapes logo, and then we are challenging ourselves to create these gaps, and they are overlapping and it looks stunning. You know, in this channel we always challenge ourselves, so let's jump in on Canva and Photopea and achieve these logos. First design doesn't ask much from us. It asks us to go to our shapes and use our shapes. So you're going to open a logo canvas, and then you're going to select elements, and then you're going to go to your lines and shapes. Once the lines and shapes have opened up, you're going to scroll down until you find this shape that's pointing down. Then you are going to change the color of this shape and make it a nice silver. Then you're going to rotate your design and then size it to the exact shape that you would like to achieve. And you're going to copy this by either Control C or Command C, and Control V or Command V, and then you place it on the other shape. Then you're going to change the color of that one and make it a bright yellow color. Then you're going to paste the last shape, and then you place it and change color. So you can then highlight them to group them so that it's easier for us to maneuver and move around. Once you're done with that, you're going to go back to your elements and you're going to look for window, and you're going to look for a graphic that's a window. Like this one, you click on it once and you size it, and then you make your design to be cohesive by adjusting the colors on top so that it suits each house. So I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna fast forward it so that I don't bore you. Once that's done, you press T for text, and then you add your text, and then you add your line, and your first logo is done. Our first logo is finished and done. All you do now is you go to your share and you scroll down to download. You download it as a transparent background and you jump onto Photopea. Once you land on Photopea, you're going to open templates that are already loaded on the software. We're going to use this one. You just click on it once. You open the link. Great stuff. Once it opens up, you're going to double click on the checkered box where it says your logo, and then you're going to click on the eye to hide the text. Drag your logo that you've just designed, the 2D one, size it. Then you're going to go File, Save as Smart Object, and wait. If you get an error, just click on wait, and then it will convert to smart object. Once that's done, you click back on the 3D glass window logo once, and your 3D logo that's overlaying is done and dusted. If you'd like to switch off the backlight, you can, and then your logo is done. You're going to go File, Export as PNG, or whichever format, and then your logo is done. So we're going to jump back and do the challenging design. Our second design needs 4 pages. In other words, it's going to be done in 4 steps. So you're going to open the first canvas. You're going to go to your elements, and you're going to go search for this shape, this. You're going to go search for this shape on the lines and shapes, and you click on it once, and then you rotate it, and then you size it to the size that you want, and then you make 3 copies of this for your step 1. Then you're going to change colors to suit the color that you would like to have your logo as. Step number 2, you're going to add a page. with the second page, you're going to add the home or the house shape, rotate it, change color and make it white. Of course, size it. That is step number 2. Now you're going to go and download page number 1 and page number 2 as transparent background, and then you're going to add them to page number 3. So before we download, we're going to add page 3, which is blank. Then we're going to go share, and we scroll down to download, and we download it as a transparent background. You could do it in a zip file, but I don't want that because it's a lot of work. I would rather download it separately. Then I'm going to download page 1. Now, page number 1 and page number 2 are downloaded as transparent. So we're going to scroll down to page number 3. Now we're going to, this is where the creative side starts kicking in and we start having fun. Then you're going to drag your downloaded page. In other words, it's going to go to your uploaded media, and you're going to click on it once so that you have the transparent design. So now you're going to copy this so that you have 3 of the same. Just move it on the side, or you can lock it so that it doesn't disturb you while you're busy with the other design. So now you are going to click on the first downloaded copy image that we've done. You're going to click on crop. Now you're going to crop out the other 2 houses. I had so much fun with this. It took me so long to figure this one out. However, in design, you must be a little bit crazy. So this is our house number 1. I'm going to put it on the side, unlock this one, and do exactly the same. I'm going to crop. Nice. Now you've got the 3 shapes that you need for your design. You're going to drag the second page, the white house design, and once it has loaded, you click to add it to our page, and then you have all 4 images. So we're going to crop it a little bit as well and take away the white space, and you click on done. So all 4 of these images, just make sure that they don't have background on them, so that when they are on each other, they don't reflect anything. So if you forgot to make it transparent when you were downloading, you can just go to edit image and then remove the background for each and every one of these 4 images. Now we're going to start aligning our designs. So you're going to go with the first one. Let's move the white one so that it's out of the way. Then you're going to size them. Then you're going to move the white shadow housey, and you size it so that it creates a line on top of our Cape Town house, Cape Town beach house, ever so gently, so that you have a perfect line like that. Then you're going to copy this, Control C or Command C, and then you're going to paste it so that you have a copy of that, so that you can do exactly the same for the other 2 shapes. So then you're going to take your second shape, move it next to the first shape, size it. That's why cropping is so important, so that you don't have extra space that you don't know what to do with when you're busy with your design. So the houses must be completely aligned like they would align in Cape Town. After you're happy with the overlapping, you're then gonna click on your second house and you're gonna go to position and you're gonna bring it forward and you're gonna bring it forward again so that it is the top layer on top of the first house. Then you're gonna go to that copy of the house that you've made and you're gonna now layer it on top of your second house. Now you're gonna do exactly the same. You're gonna copy the white place folder. I don't know if I should call it place. You're gonna copy the white house, crop the last one, and do exactly the same. After you've sized it like this, you're gonna go to position, bring it forward again, and then go to your align it just like that. Then you're going to copy all of these, or rather highlight all of the houses, group them, and then you can size them and make them whatever size you want, because now they are in a group and they're in sync. They're singing that in sync song and you are happy with all of them. Next, you're going to then go to your elements and you're going to add your window, and you're going to position the window on all of your houses and change color. So that it's nice and colorful and it looks like those houses in Cape Town. Now you are going to add your text and you're going to add your line. And we are done with step number 3 on Canva. We're going to go share and we're going to download this as transparent background. And we're going to go page number 3, done, download as a transparent, and we click on downloads. Now you're going to do the last bit, which is page number 4. You're going to add page 4, drag the 2D design that you just downloaded back to Canva, and as you can see, it has not created the gaps inside because we have not taken the background. So we're gonna crop it, size it, and then we're gonna remove the background. That's the hack, or that's the trick. Otherwise, you'll sit the whole day trying to figure out, what did I do wrong? Center it. Then you're gonna click on the image, edit image, and then remove background. And then you're going to download it for the last time. You're going to go file, you're going to download it. That's why remove background is so important to us designers. You have to try it using the 30-day free trial on the link below. Once this has downloaded and we have our Pine logo 2D, we're going to jump in on Photopea. We're going to look for mockups and we're going to open our PSD mockup, and then we're going to create a 3D logo. Okay, once it has loaded, you're going to go where it says your logo here and double click on there. Click on the text on the eye to hide it. Drag the 2D logo that we've just created. See, it's got nice gaps on there. We get excited when we see that because we did it right. And we size it, center it quite nicely. and then we go File, Save as Smart Object, and then we click back to Logo Mockup Once. And our gorgeous looking logo is done and dusted. You're going to go File, Export as a PNG or JPEG, whichever format that you would like to export as. You can watch the other video that we've created where we sliced the text using Canva. Thanks for joining me. I will see you on the next video.